Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'll be guiding you through the process of removing facial verification on Binance. If you're looking to remove facial verification on Binance, this video is for you. Follow these simple steps, and you'll understand the process. Step 1. Launch Binance app. First, open the Binance application. As you can see, I have Binance open on my screen. Unfortunately, if you've already verified your account and want to remove facial verification, you won't be able to do so. Binance doesn't allow users to remove facial verification due to security purposes. Facial verification is crucial for Binance to ensure you're the real owner of your documents. Without facial verification, anyone could access your Binance account or uploaded documents. Binance uses facial verification to match your document photos with the photo you provided during verification. This ensures the security of your